Hi guys, so the question is Pascal triangle second part. In this question what we have to do, we have to return this, consider this all layers levels are as an index, okay, and it start from index 0, here from 1 to index n, here from this last array, okay. So we have to if the input asks row index 3 what is the array, at row index 3 what is the array 1 3 3 1, we have written this one, okay. So how we are going to do that in code, let's see. Int dp row index plus 1. I'll tell you why we have plus 1 in row index, because we initialize row index at index 0 value 1, obviously it will start from 1. Then int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to and I increment, okay. Then inside a nested for loop, int is equal to j is equal to 1, j is greater than 0, j minus minus, okay. It's a reverse for loop. Then dp at ith index is equal to dp j plus dp j minus 1, okay. Return dp, okay. Let's run the code. Okay, there is an error, row index n, okay, sorry, row index, now it will be perfect. Okay, there is an issue in the code. What it could be, I is greater than 0, row is less than equal to dp row index, it's also correct. I is equal to 1, row index, j decrement, j is greater, j is equal to, okay, yeah, sorry, j is equal to I. Now still there is an issue, okay, yeah, j, I do something wrong sometimes with the variables, but yeah, the code is working wide, be it 50 what I can say 50% of the code submission of this problem. So yeah, let me explain you the solution. Like for example, you have taken row index is equal to 1, so row index is equal to 1. What's happening if row index is equal to 1, then what happened, dp at I is equal to dp at I, we have initialized dp at index what 1 is what we have initialized all the except at index 0, except at index 0 is 1, all the values are 0, okay. So dp at 0, dp at 1 is what 0, so what it will be, dp also j minus 1, j is what 1, 1 minus 1 is what 0, so dp at 0 is what 1, okay. So we will do dp at 0, okay. So the answer will be something like 0 plus 1 is what 1, okay. So dp at 1 is what 1, so the answer will return answer is what dp is equal to 1 comma 1, okay, because at index 0, at index 1 in the row in this is what 1 comma 1, okay. So that's how we are getting the answer. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section, I'll definitely reply. Thank you.